Hello guys! Ayan, today is beautiful weather. Ayan, we're going to biking there guys. Oh, pakita ko sa inyo ay yung castle na yon. Oh, where's the castle? So there is the castle. Wait, I show you guys.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, never strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
Guys, we were going there. Look at that. That guys, ayun. So ayan. We were going there, huh? Oops. Ayan, pupunta tayo doon. Okay? So parang ayan, nakita nyo 'di ba? Mayroon siyang red plug. Ayan, did you see the red plug, guys? Ayan. So, we were going there. Tapos yun, may charge doon. I don't know if I can see, but we cannot see, guys. So, important we're going that, okay? So, let's go! So, guys, there we go. We're going in the city. There we go, guys. I arrived in this castle. So, where did I see in my house? And Burg Altendorf. Ayan, auf Ruhe. Ayan, guys. So, ayan, pakita ko sa inyo ang castle. Of course, ayan. The old castle. There we go. Ayan yung banderang nakikita natin. That was in my house. Ayan, guys. O, diba? You will see. Ayan, diba? Castle. Ewan ko, I think this is a little bit a kulungan or the prison. And we will see, guys. Ayan. So, diba? Bongga siya. Ayan, guys. I think this is all like that. So, let it see, guys. So, ayan, may restaurant dito. We're going to see here. So come. So there we go. So guys, this is the castle, and there we go. You can see there is the prom. Hallo. Kann ich cook here? Danke schön. Weil this Schloss ist von da meine Haus. Oh, what is this, guys? Let us make this here adventure. Ayan, oh my God, guys. Here they have some this. Ayan. So you will see here inside. Oh my God, guys. Ayan, diba? So you will see. Ayan. So this is the inside. I don't know what is this, guys. Ayan. So ayan ang light niya. This is the long time ago. O, diba? And here is the, what is this? Oh my gosh. So guys, ayan. Ito yung loob niya. Of course. Ayan ang mga antique. This is the antique. Ayan guys. This is the antique of the, I don't know, banga. And this is of course, ayan, the Candelaria. Ayan, mga kalindog. So, and this is the other way. And ayan guys, you will see the ceiling. Ayan, the ceiling you can see. So, see, this is it, pansit. So, let's go out again, guys. Oh, diba, beautiful siya. So,
nein, den Oscar.
hallo.
Hallo. Vorsichtig, Oscar, Platz machen.
There we go.
Espérame, Johnny.
we go guys. Diba? Nakita nyo yun? Loob. And this is now the surrounding. Let's go to surround. Let's go here. And there's the dog. So ayan guys. So this is the castle. Ayan mga kalindog. So let's kung kita dito. I don't know, we can go upstairs there. Ayan. So guys, ayan ang kanyang kabuuan. This is around of this castle. So there we go guys. Can you imagine guys? This is, you can see in my house. And now we are here. So this is the, guys, this is the door where I went inside. So ayan guys. Kita nyo. Ayan. And this is the wall. So I don't know what is this before. So ayan guys. So there is the plug, what I see always in my balcony. Ayan guys. So here, another way, going to there, and this is it, unseat, guys. It's a little bit teeny, and there we go guys again. So let's try if we can go inside. So ayan guys, so, ayan, in the front they have a restaurant. Ayan. So ayan guys, there in track is fry over this pen. Kann ich gehen? Ja? Oh, oh ja, oh danke schön, ja danke. Oh ayan guys, let's akyat tayo doon. Oh, that's a Sean. Ayan guys, yung loob. Oh my god. This is lost. Oh yeah, uy. This is Sean. Ayan mga kalib. So, akyat tayo doon sa...
Wo war das alte Zerkühl? Wo war der alte Trauer?
Früher ging da draußen der Eingang gewesen, da gab es eine Lüfte, die man reinziehen konnte.
Ayan guys, akyat tayo. Let's go upstairs. So there we go. Ayan guys. Let's see if we can see the house. Ayan mga kalindog. So here we go. So ayan. You can see. So let's go. So guys, ayan na. So there's the net. Something falling, they can catch it. So, oh my god guys, there we go, it's beautiful. So, OMG. Oh my god. So guys, we're on the top. I show you. This is now the top of the... Oh, I show you guys where is my house here. There we go. Yeah. Guys, my dream. I saw this. And I show you guys where is our house. Where's my house? So, ayan guys. Look the panorama. How beautiful. There. And I will show you first where is my house. So, where is my house? I think it's... Oh, there. There we go, guys. There is my house. There, this is it. And there is my house. I'll show you. There we go, guys. That is my house. There is the house. Oh, diba? So, and there is my bike. And I will show you here the panorama, how beautiful it is. There we go. Oh my gosh, there's my house, guys. There is the house. This is the always I said I wanna come here. So now I'm here. I will show you this, guys. So there is it, Pansit. And this is it, guys. So there we go. So it's beautiful. So I show you where is it, the panorama. Here we go. Look at here. There are all the mais. So look at here, guys. This is the panorama around here. There is the AAA. I don't know what is AA. So there is the charge where I went today. And there is go. So ayan, guys. Bababa ngayon tayo. Guys, we're going downstairs now. I show you how big it is. So ayan, pakita ko muna sa'yo. How beautiful here, guys. There we go. On the top. And ayan. There is my house there. That point. This. So we're going now. Going down. I show you guys again. Let's go down. So ayan, mga kalindog, ha? There is the stair again where I went today. Ayan, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Okay. So guys, gano'n siya kalalim. How deep is this? But we need to be careful, guys, because look at the step here. The stair is very winding. Very winding. Oh, look at here, guys. I have my adrenaline when I'm looking downstairs. Look at there. Did you see that, guys? That is the downstairs. Oh, I have my adrenaline, guys. So let's go now. Ayan. One by one, I'll show you guys kung gaano siya kalalim. So there we go, guys. Ayan. Let's go. Oh my God, mga kalindog. So ayan. Oh my God, guys. So there is the upstairs. You see. Ayan, of course. But I feel my phone is getting falling. Ayan, guys. Puntahan natin yung... Let's go there. What is that? So there we go, guys. Ayan, guys. Let's continue go downstairs. Kasi nakakatakot. Scary. Ayan, guys. O, diba? There is downstairs. O, diba? We will ask what kind of this, what is this castle and what is this before. Ayan, guys. So look at there, guys. Ayan guys, ng stone, groen en erinnerung. So, ich wollte eine groen. Oh.
Ja, relativ.
So,
Ist er gut?
ja, danke schön.
Hast du schon gespielt?
Meron tayong green stone. Nee, ich habe green stone from here. So, eine remembrance from here. Ayan, guys. Big stone also. So, ayan siya, guys. This is Spenden Castle. Ayan. So, guys. Ayan guys, kakain kami dito sa Boers. Ayan. So, salad at ayun guys ang castle na pinuntahan ko. So guys, kakain lang kami. Ayan guys, we're eating here dito sa Boers. Sa bahay ng mga there we go in the Boers. Ayan, bahay ng Contessa. Ayan. Ito yung nandito kami sa restaurant. Ayan, yung kakainin namin. There we go. So even that. Ayan guys, bahay ng mga aristocrat. Diba? Bahay ng aristocrat. So guys, with garapa. Explain sa akin, this is not a castle. This is only a borg. Borg is only for example, tirahan ng mga dukesa, yung kagaya ko dukesa. Charot. The rich, the millionaire before ng 18th o 70th century. So bahay ng mga dukesa, kagaya ko dukesa. Charot. Yung mga mayayaman na unang panahon, ayan, yan ang bahay ng mga ng mga milyonaryo, ng mga duke-dukesa, ayan, ng mga, di ba? Hindi siya bahay ng hari, or hindi siya ano ba yung slots, hindi siya castle. That's called the borg. Borg is only a house for the mga siguro yung mga, kumbaga it's like in the Philippines they call the mansion. Ayan, that is the right terms. This is the mansion for the millionaire. Ayan, sa mga dukesa. Before there's no millionaire, they call dukesa and duke. The duke and duchess. Ayan, di ba? So duke. So guys, ayan. So thank you. Ayan. So I hope na explain sa inyo ang this board. So bye. Ayan guys. We already went on. So beautiful, and we have the greenstone. So ayan guys, I hope did you enjoy our tour from this a little bit. I don't know. They said this is not a castle. This is like a, I don't know. Let's see first, and then I will explain you. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my video for this little thing. So bye. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.